Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2014 Toyota Prius, and we're doing a rear wheel bearing. Why? Well, it's a growling. Well, let's get into this. Here we have the rotor off, we have the caliper off, we have the bracket off. Now we got to tackle these 14 millimeters. Alright, I said off. Very good. Hub is installed. Brand new hardware, torqued to 90 Fig Newtons. We're going to have to reshape this backing plate because, as you saw previously, when the hub was beaded out of the member, the backing plate took a little dinger. So we'll reshape that, make sure it's not coming in contact with the rotor. But now we'll put a little bit of NICs right here, install the old rotor, reinstall the entire brake system, and continue. Very good. Very good, ladies and gentlemen. Everything is installed. Rotor, caliper bracket, caliper, wheel speed sensor, which is a part of the hub that we just replaced. That's connected with the harness protector as well, with the harness routed appropriately. That should stay there. Alright, very good. A little bit of NICs right here. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.